Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making a healthy, refreshing summer juice. The heat is on us and so we have to keep our bodies hydrated. So here I wash my fruits. So now I'm going to peel them, but before I do so I'm going to tell you the fruits that I will be using. So I'm going to be using a mango, 2 carrots, 4 guavas, unsweetened apples. Here I have my carrots and my mango which I cut up. So I'm going to start cutting the apple and the guavas. Guava juice is a great source of vitamin C which helps us fight against high blood pressure. It acts as an antioxidant which protects you from chronic diseases. It also helps reduce the risk of heart diseases. Guava is one of the richest sources of dietary fiber. Besides immunity, guava do wonders to skin and also promotes fertility. Guava also helps in regulating metabolism, which leads to weight loss. With significant levels of vitamin A and C, the unsweetened apple helps to improve vision, promotes healthy hair, prevents the development of cataracts, nourishes the skin and boosts the immune system. I am finished blending, so I will be using my big jug to strain the juice in. So I like to strain the juice as I blend. I am finished blending and straining the juice. So this is how it looks after I am finished doing so. Here I am going to add 3 medium-sized lime juice. So you can add 1 or 2 lime, but I love lime in mine, a lot of lime, so I'm adding that amount. So I will not be adding any sugar to the juice. So you can drink it just the way it is. It is very refreshing. The fruit has sugar already, so try to use very sweet mangoes. If you want to add your sugar, you can go ahead and do so. This is how the juice looks after I am finished adding the lime juice. It is so thick, it is rich, and it's very refreshing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Also turn on your post notification bell so you'll not miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.